This is the day the Lord has made, and I am rejoicing, and I'm so glad in it. Well, on to the next. This is a Nette with the Wear by Nette. I am mending, doing an alteration. This comforter, bed cover, she said that her grandkids, her bed is up high because she doesn't like it down low. And I've done quite a bit of it, but in most of these burgundy that's plain parts in it, the grandkids kind of pull up on it when they're trying to climb up in the bed, thus the situation that we have here. So at first I was hand sewing it, but that was taking me forever. Okay, so then I found just a little technique that I've been using, and it has been working. I'm using my zipper foot, and I'm just grabbing just a teeny bit of it on the side. So where it was kind of ripped a little, as you can see, these pieces, like, see if any of it is showing. For instance, like right here, where the thread is coming apart. So I just went ahead and cut it, and then I get one side that is cut all the way, or enough for me to go on the inside, like you see here, and cut off a lot of the fraying that you see here, where this part is still coming apart a little, and then I sew it together. And then when I get all of that, which I've gotten the majority of it here, once I get that side done, then on this side, again, you see some of it fraying here. I pin it again, and I kind of paste it together, letting a little bit of the plain fabric here show, and then I use the presser foot and get as close to the edge as I can so that it still lays flat. So far this is working. Yeah, it's working, and hopefully it will stay. So see, like, this is already starting to come apart here. So what I'm going to have to do is cut that apart, and then this tends to stay within the last stitching that it had. So remove that, and then get it as close as I can together, sort of like this, and then use my presser foot to get as close to the edge as I can so that it still lays flat, and it seems to be working. So this is, I guess you could say, in the middle of the process, and if you could see all the way down there, see how it's starting to come apart. So I'm going to have to cut that to a spot where there is no fraying. You can see a little bit here where I've started, and see how the stitching is as close to the edge as you can get it, and that gives it some stability, and it also stops it from coming apart anymore. So that's where we are. You know what I'm going to say. I thank you guys. I thank you guys. I thank you guys. We are getting so close to 3,000 views. My subscribers are even growing. So I thank you guys. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. I'm also taking a class at the Akron Urban League. If you live here in Akron, you know what the Akron Urban League is. It helps young people who are trying to better themselves. It teaches typing classes. It shows you about business plans. It just does a lot of community type work to help you be the best person that you can be. How about that? And finishing this class is just showing you how to grow your web page, whatever type business or a hobby or whatever you're into. And after you complete the class, you get a 2-year subscription to GoDaddy. So yay, I am so excited about that, because my ultimate goal in everything I do is to become the best person that I could become. And within that, I'm trying to make my channel look as good as it can. I want to show growth, and I thank you guys for your support. So yeah, I thank you guys for your motivation. So those of you that know how to get a prayer through, Not talking about all willy-nilly. I mean, really get a prayer through. You know the man. You know the man. You live the life. You don't just talk the talk. You walk on what you are talking about. You know the man. You live the life. Say a prayer. Keep me in your prayers. And again, I thank you for your support. Be nice. Be kind to someone. You don't know what it's going to do to them. Yes, my phone is ringing. So I just want you guys to know that I love you and I thank you for your support. And I will talk to you soon. Bye. Hello. Hi. Well, the phone always rings at the most inopportune time. Of course, I'm still on duty, so I have to work and work at the same time. But as I was saying, those of you who knows how to get a prayer through, who don't only just talk the talk, you also live what you're talking about, and you know the man. To make Nette think that, you know, getting close to 3,000 views is a big deal, but to me it's a big deal. I still have a long way to go, but I know that we'll get to where God wants me to be in the time that he wants me to get there. So again, I thank you guys for your support. Be kind, be nice, you know, just takes a little gesture, just a little gesture to do something that can make someone's day. So reach out and touch someone one by one. Doesn't take a big deal. Just be kind. Think about someone else. Sometimes we think about ourselves and we get so caught up in the things that we're doing from day to day that we forget that there could be someone, and it could be someone that you see every single day and you bypass them and you never say hi, you never say good morning. They may feel invisible. Just take the time, just one day, just say, hey, how are you today? You know, get them a cup of coffee. Just spend some time with someone. I'm telling you, not only will it make you feel good, but you could be the one thing that will just make someone's day great. You just never know. Smallest gesture can be a big gesture to someone else. All right, you guys, again, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Annette with With the Wear by Nettie, where we revamp your clothes, get them runway ready, and make you feel fabulous without breaking the bank. All right, you guys, talk to you soon. Peace out. Bye. Okay, this is the final reveal. If you look at my part 1, you will see what I did when it was in its raw form. She has a bed that's up high, and her grandkids, whenever they get on her bed, they would pull it, and this would cause this to come apart. In some places it was on this side, some other places it was on this side. So what I did was, at first I started hand stitching, and it was taking forever. And I tried to do a good job in the least amount of time. I mean, by the hour, the minute, it can, you know, get to be very expensive. And I don't want to be like the cleaners. I try to help out as many people as I can in the least amount of time, doing a great job as efficiently as I can, because it's something that I love to do. So what I ended up having to do, because like I said, doing it by hand was taking forever. In some places, it may have been a part here, then it may have been a part here. So where you could see the stitching and could tell that it was coming apart, I just went ahead and cut it, turned it over, and then just sewed on the underside all the way down. And then I brought it back this way, put on my my zipper foot, and sewed it as close to the edge as I could, allowing it still to lay flat, and came out pretty good, if I do say so myself. And then on the end, in some places it was also coming apart here, so I did the same thing. I brought it as close to the edge as I could, connected my zipper foot and sewed it as close as possible, strengthening those spots so that it won't fray or come apart like it did. This is Annette with the Red by Nettie, where I DIY, revamp, upscale your clothes, making them runway ready so that you can look fabulous. And I also quilts, scarves, lap scarves, towels, anything that you need alterations on. I try to do it the best way that I can, bringing it back to life so that it can live again. All right, you guys, please give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Hit the notification bell, and anytime I post something, you will be notified. If you hit the subscribe button, it's free. You will also be in the know. We're growing. I'm almost up to 3,000 views, and I could not be there if it wasn't for you. And I thank you so much. It's slowly, but hey, it's happening. I don't know if you saw the video, but I'm taking some classes at the Urban League. If you live in Akron, you know what the Urban League is. It's a community center that helps the community. It helps entrepreneurs. It helps young people. It does typing classes, and I'm taking some modules that will help increase the traffic to my channel, and it also gives you ideas, just gives you information on how to make your channel get more traffic. And like I said, everything I do, I want to upgrade. I want to do better, and this class is helping me do that. So again, you guys, you've been with me from the gate when it was pitiful, and I think I'm getting better with each post. And like I said, I thank you guys, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be where I am right now. Slowly but surely, I'm getting there, and I owe that all to you. So hey, please share, like, thumbs up, hit the bell, subscribe, help me to grow. Share. Thank you guys again for your help and your support. Until next time, this is Annette with Rip the Wear by Nettie, where we DIY your clothes, bring them back to life so that you can be runway ready and be the fabulous you. Slaying on 100, on point, whatever you want to call it. I'm so happy that you are allowing me to help you get there. All right, until next time, talk to you. Bye.